Hello, lovely ladies. Today I'm here to talk about a simple yet incredibly powerful fruit, the banana. You might already enjoy them, but did you know they can work wonders for women over 50? Firstly, bananas are packed with potassium. This essential mineral helps maintain healthy blood pressure levels and reduces the risk of stroke. With high blood pressure being a common concern, adding a banana to your daily routine can make a significant difference. Next, let's talk about bone health. Bananas contain magnesium, which is crucial for absorbing calcium. As we age, maintaining strong bones becomes even more important to prevent osteoporosis and fractures. So, a banana a day might just keep the orthopedist away. Feeling a bit low? Bananas can help with that too. They are rich in vitamin B6, which aids in the production of serotonin, our happy hormone. This can be a natural way to boost your mood and keep those blues at bay. Now for digestion. As we get older, our digestive systems can slow down. Bananas are high in dietary fiber, which helps keep things moving smoothly and prevents constipation. Plus, they're gentle on the stomach, even if you're feeling a bit queasy. Another fantastic benefit is energy. Bananas provide a quick and sustained energy boost thanks to their natural sugars and carbohydrates. Perfect for keeping up with grandkids or maintaining an active lifestyle. So next time you're at the grocery store, don't forget to grab a bunch of these yellow wonders. Incorporate them into your daily diet and relish the amazing benefits they offer. Thank you for watching, and remember, good health is the best gift you can give yourself. Take care and see you next time.